One of Sydney's busiest shopping centres, Bondi Junction, now again a COVID concern.
It's still a bit nerve-wracking. I mean, you take all your precautions and everything like that, but, everyone gets a bit relaxed when we've had no cases for so long.
A new positive case, a man in his 60s, came here last Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The biggest worry?
May God have mercy on our souls.
An action film screening on Sunday afternoon. The session and other venues of concern now listed on the New South Wales Health website.
Without sort of being on top of things and without being vaccinated, then this is what happens.
The man works as a driver, including for international flight crew.
The other important information, of course, will be what variant this person is infected with. If it's a variant, it can spread very quickly through just kind of casual contact in one of those environments.
Bondi's beachside drive-through testing clinic, far from busy despite the new alerts. Questions will now be asked about whether the man was vaccinated, especially in his line of work, and the broader implications of what a new case with an unknown source means for state borders and the New Zealand travel bubble. Before the positive result, health authorities were already grappling with a COVID scare, investigating whether another returned traveller has caught the virus in hotel quarantine.
At this stage, we still don't know if it happened on the plane, transporting from the plane to the accommodation, at the accommodation, or whether it was just a coincidence that had the same sequencing. Despite few cases in recent months and vaccination rates slowly rising, it's a reminder the pandemic is far from over. Amy Greenbank, ABC News, Sydney.
And Amy Greenbank is live for us at Bondi Junction. Amy, what happens now?
Well, that's the big question, Juanita. Will this new case trigger new restrictions? The last time we saw community transmission in Sydney was back in May, when a man in his 50s who had visited a string of barbecue shops tested positive. At that time around, the Premier Gladys Berejiklian made minor changes, tightening restrictions around how many people we could have in our home and banning dancing at nightclubs. As for this time, New South Wales health authorities will no doubt be closely monitoring test results overnight, and we'll know that decision soon.